Every product we make carries not just direct cost but also indirect ones like rent, electricity, and factory supervision. These are called overheads, and managing them is the key to knowing the true cost of production. Overhead allocation is a process of directly assigning overheads to a specific department or cost center. For instance, the factory supervisor's salary goes entirely to the production department because that's where it belongs. But what if a cost benefits multiple departments? That's where apportionment comes in. Say your rent covers the production area and the office, then you apportion it in using the fair basis like floor area, number of employees, or machine hours. After allocating and apportioning overheads, we need to absorb them into the products. Overhead absorption means recovering this cost from the each unit made, ensuring no cost is left behind. To calculate how much overhead each unit bears, we use the formula. For example, if total overheads are Rs 50,000 and 10,000 units were produced, each unit absorbs Rs 5 in overheads. So, here's a recap. Allocation is direct charging, apportionment splits shared cost, and absorption brings overheads into product pricing. Together, they ensure accurate costing and better decision making. Thanks for watching.